It is I, Rami. Remember these principles, please. Fear is the absence of love. It is a reaction. It is a misunderstanding. Please tell me the name of the scariest horror movie you have ever seen. Was the movie itself scary? Or was it your interpretation and reaction to the images and words in the movie that produced the fear? Christ may not want to watch the movie, but even if it did, it wouldn't infuse it with fear because the movie itself doesn't have any power. Remembering this lesson from A Course in Miracles will be helpful. Nothing has any power over Christ, not even a horror movie, not even a real-life situation. Christ holds all the cards. I have a special treat for everyone for tomorrow's transmission. Until then, in truth, Rami.